We now have over 30,000 linemen across the various utility companies, both investor-owned and municipal, as well as electrical co-ops that are staged for powered restoration across the state. And so we anticipate that that will grow. And we also anticipate that the needs for power restoration have grown as the track of the storm has changed. I mean, we were here a couple days ago. They were looking at maybe it skirting the Gulf Coast and ended up impacting someplace in northern Florida. That obviously would be less power impact than having a direct entry into Southwest Florida and then cutting across the state where it's going to impact millions and millions of people. So they all understand that, and the impact area really spans all of their different customer service areas. I mean, you're going to have FPL, Duke, TECO, all of them are going to be impacted by this, and all of them have people that are ready to go. We've gotten at Florida DEM about 730 requests for assistance. Over 600 have been fulfilled. Others are on the way. Some can only be fulfilled once the storm hits, and they will be. As the track of the storm has shifted more south, Kevin Guthrie has shifted more resources to the southwest portion of the state. And so you have folks that are there, medical, shelter, a whole host of different ways to be able to help the folks there. We are bringing in more than 1 million gallons of fuel to support response efforts. We have 10 feeding kitchens staged in the area through our nonprofit partners. And then 15 hospitals and over 100 healthcare facilities have been evacuated across the Gulf Coast. For facilities that are not evacuating, it is our expectation that visitation is not restricted and patients are still able to see their families. But we do appreciate being able to speak with a number of folks with major hospital systems. If you have hospitals in low-lying area, they have a plan. They know this, they could be called upon to do it, and they've executed those plans. And we appreciate that, and we appreciate them working hard to keep these patients safe. Again, if you have any questions about what to do over the next, obviously, if you're on the west coast of Florida, this is something that is much more imminent. You are going to get, as we get into Thursday and Friday, you're going to see impacts all the way to the east coast of Florida. This thing's going to exit the state of Florida and most likely end up getting stronger, riding into the Atlantic, and then probably hitting Georgia, South Carolina, someplace like that. So this thing's the real deal. It is a major, major storm.